Hello friendzo, how you day? Fine. Today we go make Nigerian chicken. It be very good though. My dear friends, yes, you're very much on my culinary expressions channel. Was just trying to lend a local fervor of today's expression. By now you must have guessed today's expression from culinary expressions. It is chicken curry in Nigerian style. This is a very popular curry dish in Nigeria. And when you want a break from the routine spices and flavors, then this is the dish to go for. What is so special about this chicken curry in Nigerian style? Well, it's the spices, and the serving style is the epitome of this recipe. I have replicated from the wispy memories of my childhood in Nigeria. To know more, you can read on my blog, My Culinary Expressions, that is myculex.com. Before we proceed to make chicken curry in Nigerian style, let me remind my friends who are visiting this channel for the first time, if you would like to receive these expressions with tips and options, then hit the subscription button right away and press the bell icon to receive notifications. All my dear friends, do continue to show your support and zeal by your likes and shares. Watch for tips and options. More so, in today's expression, make sure to be there till the end. Now, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for marinating the chicken. 500 grams of chicken drumsticks, or you could use whole chicken cut into parts. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, which is finely chopped, or you could use a paste. 1/4 teaspoon oregano. 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme. Half teaspoon paprika powder. 1 teaspoon chicken curry powder. 1 tablespoon oil. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust these spices according to your preference. The curry powder that I have used is from Nigeria itself, but due to its unavailability everywhere, you could use curry powder options that are locally available around you. Firstly, we will marinate the chicken with some spices and herbs. Alternatively, you could directly add the spices and herbs and cook the chicken immediately. After removing the skin from the chicken legs and cleaning the chicken, you will add turmeric, curry powder, paprika powder, oregano, thyme, salt, lime juice, and ginger garlic finely chopped or a paste. And lastly, we shall add the oil. Combine everything very well so that the drumsticks are coated nicely with the spices and herbs. Set aside the chicken to marinate for a few hours. If you do not wish to marinate, then you proceed to the next step. Now add the marinated chicken to a pan and cook on medium flame. All along, add a little bit of water so that the chicken cooks. Cook the chicken till it is half tender. In between, you can add a little bit of water. You can also check some other chicken recipes on this channel, such as the chicken kebabs and the tandoori chicken. Now when little liquid remains, saute the chicken till it changes in color. Any liquid that is left in the pan can be used later. Put off the flame now. And now the ingredients for the curry. 1 cup tomato puree, 1 onion sliced, half teaspoon ginger garlic finely chopped or a paste, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon red chilli paste, 1 bouillon stock cube, 1 tablespoon of peanut powder or cashew nut powder, and here too again you will be using a little bit of salt, curry powder, thyme, oregano, water, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let me tell you, there are a few versions of this chicken curry in Nigerian style. Generally, it is the fiery red colored chicken curry. However, if not using the chilies, The curry may be yellow to orangish. More I will tell you as we move on. As a substitute to the local Nigerian peppers, I have used the hot chili garlic paste. You'll find the video on this channel. I would like to show you a pic of the local hot peppers that my sisters-in-law had swiftly forwarded from Lagos upon my request. Generally, for making this curry, two varieties of peppers are used. One is the hot variety and the other one is not so hot. The picture that is shown is of the hot variety, which is locally called hot pepper. It is also called Scotch bonnet habanero or the Atarodo pepper. And the other not so hot variety is a Tatashe pepper. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pot and add onions. Work on medium flame and saute till the onions turn light pink. Then add the ginger and garlic. Saute for a minute. Once the onions turn translucent, add the salt, turmeric, oregano and thyme. Adjust the quantities of the spices because we have already added in the marinade also. Finally, it's time to add the tomato puree. Saute the tomato puree until the rawness of the tomatoes goes. Then add the canned tomato paste. It gives a nice red color. Also add the hot chili garlic paste. If you're using fresh red chilies, then you may blend them along with the tomato puree. Saute everything very nicely till oil starts oozing from the sides. Now add the chicken stock cube. Mix very well. Now add the sauteed chicken to the tomato curry. Mix to combine everything very well. Finally, add the water around 1 or 2 cups. Let the chicken simmer for some time. Work on low to medium flame. Also add the cashew nut powder or the peanut powder. This is for the thickening. Cover the pot of chicken and let it simmer on low heat for around 10 minutes till the chicken is done. Adjust the liquids as needed because this chicken would be eaten with rice, so you need a good amount of curry. Oh, the chicken aroma is mesmerizing. In the meanwhile, you can prepare the rice to go with this chicken. Ta-da! Our chicken curry in Nigerian style is done. And now, what awaits is the style in which this Nigerian chicken curry is going to be served. March on, you're nearly there. And now, the accompaniments needed for the chicken curry. 1/4 cup of green bell peppers finely chopped, 1/4 cup of peanuts roasted and crushed, 1 to 2 green chilies chopped, a few lemon pieces, 1/4 cup of cucumber chopped, 1/4 cup of coconut freshly grated, half cup of pineapple chopped from 1 or 2 pineapple slices, 1/4 cup of tomatoes chopped, 1/4 cup of onions chopped. The much awaited moment is here. Come along, join in. Place a generous serving of this Nigerian chicken curry over a plate of rice. And then sprinkle some grated coconut, cucumber, crushed peanuts, tomatoes, capsicum, green chilies if you wish. Finally, a squeeze of some lime. And don't forget the pineapple pieces. And here you are, my friends, ready with your Nigerian chicken curry. Prepare and enjoy this with your family and friends. And the vegetarian people can try this by substituting the chicken with paneer. That's another tip of mine. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this expression of Nigerian chicken curry. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Very soon, I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye. Here are some more videos to watch from my archive.